Hi there. Welcome to today's fun trivia. Today we are going to be naming the groups of animals. So when animals gather in groups, what are they called? Let's get started. What do you call a group of alligators? What is the name of a group of alligators? It's called a congregation. Next, what do you call a group of antelope? What is the name for a group of antelope? It's a herd. It's a herd. What do we call a group of baboons? What is the name of a group of baboons or baboons? What do you call them? A group of baboons would be called a troop or a congress. What do we call a group of bears? What would a group of bears be called? It's usually called a sleuth or slough. Right? What do we call a group of bees? What is a group of bees called? So it could be a hive, right? Or nest. If they're in flight, it could be a swarm. But other words that describe groups of bees is bike, drift, and grist. What do you call a group of butterflies? What is that called when you see a group of butterflies? I know here in Texas we get migratory butterflies that come in and they're everywhere. It's called a swarm or a rabble. And then a group of caterpillars is an army. What do you call a group of camels? What is that called? A group of camels. It's called a flock. A group of camels is called a flock. What do you call a group of deer? What is a group of deers called? It's called a herd or a mob. What do you call a group of dogs? What do you call a group of dogs? They're known as a litter or a pack. What do you call a group of lions? What is a group of lions called? It's called a pride. What do you call a group of mosquitoes? What is a group of mosquitoes called? It is a swarm indeed. What do you call a group of penguins? What do you call a group of penguins? It's called a rookery. What do you call a group of pigs? A group of pigs is referred to as droves or sounder. What do you call a group of rabbits? What do we call a group of rabbits? They are called a colony or a drove. That's all for today's Name That Group of Animals. We'll see you next time.